Today we're going to read our decodable book number 10, Rich and the Fog. So you will need your decodable book so you can be tapping the words in your book as I am reading them on the computer screen. So we're going to start with our front cover. We found our red words, we found our green words that have our special letter this week, the letter F. So now we're ready to put it together and read. Let's start with the front cover, the title of our story. Rich, rich, and the fog. Do you remember what we talked about for fog? What does that word mean? Yeah, it's a type of weather. You're right. So fog is a type of weather that makes it very, very hard to see. It sort of feels like the clouds have come down, down, down closer to the ground. Let's flip and we'll read pages 1 and 2 together. Let's start right here with the very first word. So put your finger on the word and we're ready to read. 1, 2, 3. Bob, Bob, had a cat, rich, rich is a yellow cat. Rich was a fat cat. Now, rich is a fit cat. Oh, so what is the cat's name? Yeah, the cat's name is Rich. Just like the boy in our last story about the rat, there's a character in the story that is also named Rich, and it's the cat. So you'll see a capital R because that is the cat's name. And the boy's name is Bob. So we have two characters so far, a boy named Bob and a cat named Rich. So we learned that Rich was a fat cat, and now he is a fit cat. Let's look at page number 2. 1, 2, 3. Bob said, did I see the sun? Let's look at page 3. Ready to read with our finger on the first word in the sentence. No, I see the fog, said Bob. Page number 4. The fog hid the sun. Look at the fog. Rich, said Bob. The fog is bad. I wonder why Bob thinks the fog is bad. What do you think? Let's keep reading and see if we find out. Look at pages number 5 and 6. Ready to read with your finger under the word rich. 1, 2, 3. Rich got on top of the log to see the fog. he, it, fit on the log. Get, get down. Rich, get down from the log, said Bob. Rich got down from the log. Again, we talked about this word from yesterday when we were finding our green and red words. We said it's kind of in the middle, isn't it? It's like a red word, but we haven't learned it as a red word yet. Same for the word D-O-W-N, down. That would also be a red word, but we just haven't learned it yet as a red word. So these are just two words that we'll try to stick in our brains to remember. The words down and the word from. Let's go on to page 7, the last page in our story. 1, 2, 3. Now the sun is out. I like to see the sun, said Bob. Nice work today, readers. You might want to read this decodable reader again tonight, maybe with a friend or someone in your family. But we'll read it again tomorrow together, and we'll answer the questions at the end of the story.